representing the Decatur YMCA today. Unfortunately, Stacey Stevens, the executive director, can't be here, but I support her in that role. So I just wanted to point out something that's already been mentioned several times is the actual distance from the property line versus the structure. And it's actually only 50 feet from the YMCA property that this is being constructed, and that's programmable space for us. And so we provide programs like day camp, after school. We have holiday camp that happens back there. We have a lot of recreation that happens in those areas, especially on our property. And so when we look at the sake of human safety, in addition to some of those structures, I understand that's important, but I think it's something that we should really contemplate is that programmable space is so valuable to our community and to the folks we serve, specifically the youth that utilize that space behind the YMCA. And we look at the potential and then the programming in the background of a tower and the visual component of that, the experience for those kids, I really think that it's probably not the best interest of this community to allow this tower. So I appreciate your consideration, and I appreciate you listening to my comments.
Thank you. Were there others who would like to? Okay.
Hi, my name is Preeti Jaggi, and I live at 160 Medeiros Drive, and I'm an infectious disease doctor. And one of the things that concerned me was actually walking in that area with Philip one day. There's a lot of water that's already pooled in that area, and I'm an infectious disease doctor, and I know that mosquitoes breed in that water. So I think that there are some health effects of taking these trees down in that specific area that we need to account for before allowing this to proceed. I would really much rather exhaust any possibility of putting it at Publix where there's already cleared space rather than clearing those trees. Anything that we do to the environment affects our own health. And I think we need to have a really good environmental assessment, particularly on how it could affect our health in that neighborhood.
Thank you. Okay. Are there others who would like to come forward?